Today I'm going to share an easy and delicious appetizer with you all. This is chili cheese toast. The topping is absolutely delicious and the toast is crunchy and buttery, and you guys have to try this. Let's make this together. Into a bowl goes in 1 tablespoon of chopped capsicum. You can use red, green, yellow, whichever you like. 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander leaves. Next goes in 1 green chili that I deseeded and finely chopped, and 1 clove of garlic that I also finely chopped. Everything goes inside along with a couple of drops of any hot sauce of your choice. Next goes in a sprinkle of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of soft butter. This is salted butter, that's why I'm not adding salt. If not, you can add some. And next goes in 2 tablespoons of any cheese of your choice. You can use mozzarella cheese, you can use Amul cheese, you can use any processed cheese. I'm using cheddar cheese. Press down on the cheese with your spoon so that the cheese and the butter combine and it makes a nice spreadable consistency. You're going to be able to do this really easily. Now here I have 2 slices of bread. Set a pan on medium heat and make sure to toast the bread on both sides. You can also use a toaster if you like. You want to make sure to toast it a little more on one side and a little less on the side that is going to go down on the pan again. The side that is more toasted will have the topping. Did I confuse you? Now let's spread enough topping on the side that is more toasted. Guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Consider subscribing for exciting recipes every week. And next we're going to set the same pan on the lowest possible heat, place the bread on, place a lid on, and we're going to just wait till the cheese melts. We don't want high heat because we don't want the bread to burn. Can you tell how crunchy this has turned out, guys? It is crunchy and buttery and the topping is just finger-licking good. Guys, I hope you give this recipe a try, and I also wanted to say that I have a blog for written recipes. It is called noopursindiankitchen.com. Do visit. Alright guys, see you next week. Bye-bye.